part as a boss. For heat stacking, we can create, you can always hide the planes. Insert new geometrical set, that will be the input. And again, add another, that will be work. So in input, we need to have the points. We can add a point. So any coordinate you can take. So this we can name as a start point. Then we're going to have tooling lines over here. To start point, select the direction of the Z. We can name this as tooling line. Okay, so we need to create a new work. In work, we're going to create a sketch. So sketch we always create with the position sketch. You can select over here position sketch. So for that we require a plane. So we can create a plane or the axis system. So if you just check like how we can create the plane or axis system. So that will be depend upon what exactly we have the inputs. Okay, so we need to have the input like with respect to the tooling line, sliding line, or the orientation of the rib. So that we need to have. Okay, so here we can check how you can keep the link with the ribs. Okay, so we can create another line that will be something like orientation. Okay, or we can create an angle line with respect to plane or the axis system we need to create. So we will create a plane first. So we here, and on that plane we're going to create a line. The angle, we have the curve. We have point. So we need to create one line which will be the orientation of that particular sketch. So we'll select over here y direction. To this y direction, we can create one line which will be having angle. Okay, so we'll go for angles. We will do the support. We can give the curve. We can give point. And here we have the angle. Okay, so right now we'll just keep for the 90. We will check. We can create that. So this is nothing but the orientation, we can say, orientation of the sketch, or rotation, we can say. So now we need to add a sketch. That will be the position sketch. So we will select the plane, then projection point. Then we need to select the orientation parallel to line. We will select the line, and with respect to that, the sketch will be moved. Something like this we can create. And now we need to have a circle so that we can create the boss. A circle of 8 dia, 10 dia, most of the time we're going to be used. So depending upon what we have, screw. So screw boss dimension will be differ. We can add 8. With respect to that, we can check pad to create. Upside and the downside, we require 10 mm. So we can give the 10 mm mirror. Then we require the thickness. Thickness inside, we require 1 mm. Okay, something like this we can create. So this we need to keep in another geometrical set. So never create into the part body. Okay, so we can add anytime in the part body, because we cannot remove, we cannot delete this part body. Okay, so part body is something like, whenever we check over here, this is the part body. So you cannot delete the part body. You cannot remove, add, cannot do the any Boolean operation into that existing part body of given cutting. Okay, so it is always important you can add separately whatever you want to create, and then you can do the Boolean operation and you can add that. Okay, so if you just check what if we add a new body, insert new body, so that going to be have all the options for Boolean operation. So here we have assembly, add, remove, intersection, union, trim kind of option we have. So that is not possible to add or do anything with respect to this body. Even we cannot delete this. Okay, so always make sure whatever you want to do you can do over here. You can delete this as well, you can add in anything, so you can keep this as a reference, and after you finish your part you may add in that particular part body. So this is a by default part body you're going to be have. Whenever you're going to be open a new part, you're going to be get that. You can observe, like whenever you're going to be create a new part, you'll get that part body. Okay, so there is a by default cut here we're going to be have. So in this case, now what we need to do, so this is the one thing we have done. Now we need to add the draft. We have created this body. Okay, we have created this body. With respect to that, we need to add the draft. So we'll add the draft from the both side. Okay, we'll add the plane. Then we need to add the trimming line. So over here, and we can check for the draft. We required a 0.5 degree draft. Arrow should be upside. Okay, so this is how we added the draft. Now we need to make sure. So this is going to be have a heat stacking boss or screw boss. Depending upon that, it will be depends like what we need to do. So now suppose this is a screw boss we have. So for that also we need to add a chamfer to make sure the it will be assembled properly. Okay, so kind of angle to angle, we can give the chamfer. Okay, so this is how we can give the chamfer to make sure it will be smoothly insert over there into the part. And then we can add fillet. So fillet of 0.3, 0.5 we can add. Okay, kind of this we can create. Now we need to add the support rib. So on that it will be get supported. So for that you can just check like this will be main boss body. Then we need to add another geometrical set that we require to have a rib, supporting rib of gussets. The most of the time it says. So we're going to be use the same sketch now. Position sketch. Again we need to add origin of the point. Then need to add parallel line. So with this axis system we can align the line. Click OK. And then we're going to be add line something like this to create a rib. Okay, so we can create a rib with respect to this symmetry, something like here we can add. So this we have a dia 8. Okay, so 8 plus 5 plus 5 10, so 18, so close to 20 we can add. So 5 mm we required a resting surface over here. So minimum 5 mm we required a resting surface, so that we can go for 20, and that should be symmetrical to the curve. And then we need to do the pad. Same wise we need to do at the bottom side only. Downside we need to have a thickness of 1 mm. We can do the neutral fiber, it will be coming to the center. Click OK. We're going to be have something like this ribs. So what we can do now, So what we can do now, we will just add the draft for the surfaces. So if you just hit the pause, you can check, we can add draft to all the surfaces. Okay, or there is one option we have, select neutral element and then select selection by the neutral face. Directly can select the pulling direction and we'll get draft added over here. Okay, so this is a very easy and important. We're going to be have this feature by selecting only the upper surface. Okay, by selecting the only upper surface, you can select the draft over here. You can check the each and every face now going to be have the draft. If you give the color to that and check what are the faces we require to have a draft, it's going to be get the draft. But now this surfaces we require the more draft over here in this condition. So this we required more draft. We can add something like this. Okay, something like this we can do, and we can go for adding fillets over here. Okay, now we need to add that. So definitely we need to do some Boolean operation. So whenever we're going to be add a geometrical set, we need to do for Boolean operation boss main body. We need to add first boss. So always go for add, click OK, then click OK. Then you can add a rib that we need to do the union trim. So you can directly do the union trim and you can select keep or remove. So here if you want to select keep, so you need to select 1, 2, 3, 4. But here if you just select remove, so in one shot if you just select remove, it will be get deleted. Okay, so this is something like it will be get removed within one selection. So you need to act sometime very smartly how it's going to be work. So depending upon depending upon that you need to select. So now in this case to we need to have the fillet. So if you just add the fillet before we're going to be have the trim, so that will be useful. So we'll add the fillet of 0.3 again. So that will be the tooling fillet. So what it mean by the tooling, whatever it's possible in milling. So by default we're going to be have that. So kind of fillet minimum optimum we can give is a 0.31, 0.3. So this is something like we can add the fillet. You can check for the part. Okay, so the trim will be again asked to remove or go for that. Okay, we can do something like this. You can get this as a boss. Okay, so this is how we have created a screw boss, and definitely we need to check now the rotation. If you change the angle, okay, so just reduce this value to 50, extension preview. And if you just check, like if we now this rib orientation we required in another direction. So if you just change the angle to 45 now, so by default that orientation of the rib will be controlled by this particular line. Okay, so this is how we can control the orientation of the ribs by or the sketch anything. Okay, so this is the rotation orientation you can mention.